Hello everyone, Jesus here again and welcome back to my channel. I made a commercial for C4 energy drink and I'm just here today because I wanted to share it with you. I hope you like it. So, did you like it? Make sure to let me know that in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And don't forget, if you haven't seen any of my videos yet, go ahead and check this one out. It's a very good video. I hope you like it too. Have a great day. See you Thursday.